Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mark in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-497HPC. Yeah, it's back. Been at them for about a year and they finally rolled back in. Was able to get my hands on 3 or 4 dozen, and that's about it. Mark, we got you ready to go here. Start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Got you set at 2 watts all the way down. And that's so you get full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. This would work out good with a 4-pill or 6. And we got you around 25 watts all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 60 bird, 250 watt slug in PEP, top scale. Hello, 125 on the money. Mark, this thing's got some amazing receive. It's definitely receiving a little bit wider bandage than the older one, so I'm sure they run some different caps in the receive section, so I think you're really going to enjoy it. Of course, you've got all your different colors you can choose from, as you know. All the great features they've always had. Channel selector on them, they're definitely a little tighter, so I think they went with a higher quality channel selector as well. So Mark, we'll get this out to you, and I appreciate it and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.